Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, the wig. Basically this video is going to be showing you how I dyed the hair and what it looks like on my head. This is like water, like are you dumb? So this hair, this wig is from Sogoodhair. I've never worn a bob before. I mean, I have, but like I don't really like bobs because I have a big head, so it's like it's gonna make my head look bigger, do you know what I mean? So I was kind of hesitant to try this out, but I thought, you know what, let me just take the risk. They initially sent me a 613 14-inch wig. Obviously the lace was transparent. 613 hair, you always get transparent lace with it, which is good because I'm very like light skinned, so medium brown just looks, you can see the lace, and yeah, so it just matches my skin very well. Like guys, can you let's just keep it real. Let's just keep it real. Can you even see the lace? Okay, cool, hold on, I'll wait. Where's the lace? I'll wait. Where's the lace? You can't see it. Where? It's just scalp. Is this even a wig? At this point in time, it's grown from my head. And if you say anything other than that, you're a hater. So yeah, this hair is 150 density. How do I feel about that? Well, because when I have straight hair, when I wear straight hair, I like it to be thick at the top and then thin at the bottom. I hate when it's thick the whole way through because my natural hair is thick all the way through and it doesn't, do you know what I mean? Like straight hair, I want it to be like flowy, and I feel like when it's thick it doesn't flow. But I don't even have to speak. So my favorite thing about this wig is the lace. It literally just blended into my skin automatically, and I feel like this is the best I've ever laid a wig in my life. Like it's probably because of that, do you know what I mean? Props to the wig as well, like, but this is the best I've ever laid a wig in my life, and I'm convinced this is just a wig, do you know what I mean? It literally just melts, and also it's flat. You don't want a bumpy wig. It's literally flat and I love it. Like let me look at the wig. It's completely flat, do you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, another thing that I love is that their wigs are very affordable. Their wigs start from $98, which is very cheap for a wig, if I say so myself, especially 613, and especially real. This hair is real, 100% human hair. We don't do synthetic hair around here, period. You can curl it, you can straighten it, you can hot comb it, you can, what's that word called, crimp it, you can dye it, and it will still be good, do you know what I mean? Because it's human hair, it's not going to get damaged like synthetic hair would get damaged. Like synthetic hair, you can't do anything, and it literally within 2 weeks it's matted. But if you're going to buy a wig, you might as well you have to get your hair, like, otherwise what's the point? If the wig doesn't fit as tight, they do send an elastic band inside the packaging, so you can just basically sew it from ear to ear. I don't know how to say that. I say ear, people say it's ear, so I'm just gonna go with that. You sew it from ear to ear, and then it makes it tight, so it makes it like, you know, like tight on your hair. The hairline was very plucked. It came plucked already, so I didn't need to do that much to it. Obviously I went in a little bit, because I have a very low hairline, so I just went in and just tried to adjust it and make it fit my hairline. But all in all, I really hardly did anything to this wig, and as you guys have seen, me dyeing the hair literally took me 10 minutes. Yeah, make sure you guys check the details down below in the description if you're interested in this hair. The hair link and everything will be down there for you guys, so you don't really need to do that much work. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on post notifications so you're updated every single time I post, so you never miss my videos, period. And also follow me on Instagram, it's down below here. Add me on Snap, I'm very active and I like respond to everyone because I'm so nice. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah.